Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to circle to search on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, this is a fast and a visual way to search anything on your screen without switching apps. You simply tap and circle an image, object, or text, and you get Google-powered results in seconds. So let me show you how to do this. So let's say, for example, you want to search something on your home screen. So go ahead and press the home button, long press on it. You'll get this screen here. Now you want to go ahead and circle what you want to search. So I want to search the TikTok icon. So here I'll go ahead and circle it, and then it'll give me Google results related to TikTok. So this basically cuts down app switching, and it helps you look things up instantly without losing your context. So this is great if you're on a web browser and you're just browsing through these. So for example, this tree here, I can go ahead and long press, go ahead and circle it, and this will show me results regarding that tree. So there you go, guys. That is how to circle to search on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.